Hello everyone, hi, my name is Weltha. Okay you guys, so I was just about to make me a snack with my watermelon. See, I started to cut it, but then I said, let me go on and film this also. So I'm gonna show you guys a snack that I like. And it's very simple, it's just some watermelon. So I'm just gonna chop this watermelon up, okay? Hold on. So I'm just gonna slice up my watermelon and then I'm gonna add some Tajín sauce seasoning to it, okay? Simple snack, but so delicious, okay? Let's see if I can I twist her? Okay, I still got it. Okay, all right, so now let me cut her. Ooh, I think this is a good one, you guys. Ooh, so juicy. Sweet, huh? Let's see if it's sweet. It looks like it's, I picked a good one, huh? Yummy. I picked a good one this time. Oh my God, the last time I picked a horrible one. The last time I picked the one that was not sweet. But this one is good. Look at that. It's perfect. Look at that. Perfect. Take a bite. Okay. So let's put one to the side. And I'm just gonna, and I need to get a bowl to put this in. Oops, look at that. Oh wow, I picked a good one. Wow, it's been a long time since I picked a really good watermelon, you guys. Look at that. She's real juicy and sweet. Look at that. Okay, hold on, let me get a bowl. Okay, you guys. So, you can slice it whatever way you want. I'm just gonna, oops, slice this and put it in the bowl for my snack. Okay. Ooh, dang, I picked a good one. Okay. Almost done. All right, that's enough, you guys. So let me show you guys how I eat this. All right, just 1 minute. Okay guys, I'm all done plating the watermelon, okay? And this is what we turned out with. And you guys, what I'm gonna put on my watermelon is the Tajín sauce, okay? It's so good. Try this with your watermelon, you guys. It's a great snack. I have the little packs. I have the little small packs. And I also have the big bottle because I like it on my fruit. Tastes so good. So all I do is just sprinkle on my watermelon. And it tastes so good. The more the better. Don't want to mess the plate up though. Okay. That's it, you guys. That's all you need. This is a healthy snack. Okay? You want something different? Something delicious? Here you go. Try this. So delicious. I'm sure there's other people that eat this on their fruit too, but I just wanted to do a video on it myself. Okay, so try this snack, you guys. All right, it's so delicious. It's watermelon, juicy watermelon. I found a very good one. Okay, so that's it, you guys. And there you have it. Okay, guys, that's it. Thanks for coming, and please don't forget to subscribe, okay? And I'll see you on the next one. Thank you, guys. See you next time, okay? So delicious, you guys. You gotta try this.